Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 14, Semiconductor Electronics. And today is not a problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be played today, and next session we will solve the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 1. An intrinsic semiconductor is converted into N-type extrinsic semiconductor by doping it with dash. A option phosphorus, B option aluminum, C option silver, D option germanium. That is, you should know what is extrinsic semiconductor and what are N-type semiconductor, what is the dopant added. By knowing this, you are able to solve the solution for this. Let's move to question number 2. The increase in the width of the depletion region in a PN junction diode is due to dash. A, reverse bias only. B, both forward biasing and reverse biasing. C, increase in forward bias only. That is, if you increase the width of the depletion layer, what happened that junction diode? That by knowing that idea, you will solve this question. Let's move to question number 3. Which one of the following represents forward bias diode? You should know here what is forward bias. By knowing the concept, you will find which circuit is correct answer in the ABCD option. Let's move to question number 4. Consider the junction diodes as ideal. Value of current flowing through AB is dash. A option 10 power minus 2 ampere. B option 10 power minus 1 ampere. C option 10 power minus 3 ampere. D option 0 ampere. And that is, here you should know the value of the ideal junction diode. By knowing the value, you will find the current value. Let's move to question number 5. For a given circuit of ideal PN junction diode, which of the following is correct? A, in forward biasing, the voltage across R is V. In reverse biasing, the voltage across R is C. In forward biasing, voltage across R is 2V. Last option, in reverse biasing, voltage across R is 2V. So here you should know about the ideal PN junction diode circuit and also know the concept of forward biasing and reverse biasing. By knowing this idea, you will find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 6. The input signal given to a CE amplifier having a voltage gain of 150 is VA equal to 2 cos 15t plus pi by 3. The corresponding output signal will be dash. A option 300 cos 15t plus pi by 3. B option 75 cos 15t plus 2 pi by 3. C option 2 cos 15t plus 5 pi by 3. D option 300 cos 15t plus 4 pi by 3. You should know the relation between input current and output current. By knowing the idea, you will find the solution for this. Let's move to last question. Voltage gain of an amplifier with 9% negative feedback is 10. Voltage gain without feedback will be dash. A option 90. B option 10. C option 1.25. Last option 100. You should know the formula for voltage gain with the feedback, without feedback, that formula. By knowing the formula, you are able to solve this question. Okay, thank you students. In next session, we will solve the solution for this question.